Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. In this Hopper booking platform review, we'll dive deep into the user experience and explore how this popular travel app uses AI to help you save money on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Find links to the platform in the description below. Hopper is perfect for travelers who value affordability and flexibility. The app's key strength lies in its predictive algorithm. This algorithm analyzes millions of flight and hotel prices every single day to forecast optimal booking times. Hopper then offers users clear-cut advice, such as whether to book immediately or hold out for a lower price. This is a game-changer for budget-minded travelers who want to maximize their savings without the hassle of constantly checking prices themselves. One of Hopper's most impressive features is its price freeze option. For a small deposit, you can lock in a fantastic price. This guarantees that even if prices climb later, you can still book at the frozen rate. Another excellent feature is the customizable notification system. Once you've entered your travel information, Hopper will send you alerts whenever prices decrease, ensuring you never miss a bargain. The app also handles hotel bookings with a similar strategy, providing predictive insights and price tracking. Users can filter hotel choices based on their preferences, such as location, star rating, and available amenities. Hopper's car rental feature operates on the same principles, making it a truly versatile tool for every aspect of travel planning. Hopper boasts a clean and user-friendly interface, making navigation a breeze even for those unfamiliar with booking platforms. The app also provides in-app customer support, a definite advantage if you require assistance during the booking process. However, it's worth mentioning that Hopper primarily operates as a mobile app. There isn't a desktop platform, which may not be ideal for everyone. In conclusion, Hopper is an outstanding choice for travelers looking for intelligent tools to save money on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Its predictive algorithms, price alerts, and flexibility-focused features make it a true leader in the booking platform landscape. If you'd like to give Hopper a try, you can find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.